Say these words in Spanish and you sound like a native. What do you say when you are using something for the first time? This tiny word can help you say, I'm craving for something sweet. You and I have the same name? I got a word for you. Estrenar. Estrenar. To wear or to use something for the first time. Hoy estrené mis lentes nuevos. Antojo. Antojo. A craving, especially for a specific food. Tocayo. Tocayo. Eres mi tocaya. Yo también me llamo Cindy. As you can see, there's no direct equivalent in English for these words. So if you use them, you'll sound more natural. Don't forget to use these words when you are using in Spanish. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Adios!